is that to learn something, you've got to do something 3 times, the magical 3 times. The first time you do something, that synapse is not very strong. Remember? So the second time, the second time you do something, those synapses become stronger. And the third time, they really get strong. And what Bazan says to do is that you learn something day 1, you sleep on it. Day 2, you revise it again. And then you sleep on that. Day 3, you revise it again. And then you sleep on that, right? So it's a 3-day process. So those of you who are studying, those of you who've got people who are studying, that's the way to do it. Learn, sleep, learn, revise, sleep, sleep, okay?